Hi guys, this is Dante with Drive and Thrive, and I have some exciting news to share with you from Uber Eats. Watch to the very end, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on news, tips, and tricks for Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates. So if you've made any deliveries the past week, you may have noticed that the destination is actually showing up on the app. The actual name of the restaurant is showing up on Ubereats App. This is a really big deal because for a long time, the only thing that has held Uber Eats back in comparison with DoorDash and Postmates has been those apps would allow you to know the name of the restaurant ahead of time. So if you have a problem with a certain restaurant or you didn't want to go there for whatever reason, you would know ahead of time. That was always a huge advantage for DoorDash and Postmates. Now, Uber Eats has joined the industry standard. They've updated their app, and now you know the distance, how much you're expected to get paid, at least the minimum that you're expected to get paid, and the name of the restaurant. So this is exciting news for Uber Eats drivers. I'm really excited. I actually went online and I noticed another fellow YouTuber called The App Lifestyle, and I'll link his video below, so definitely go check him out. He actually did an entire video on this very subject. This is exciting news. There is nothing to distinguish Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates anymore except for three things. One, I still feel that DoorDash and Postmates tip a little more. But when you factor in the ease of Uber Eats, their customer service, if you factor in the speed at which all the deliveries happen, if you factor everything in, Uber Eats is now the clear winner between all three apps, in my humble opinion. The one thing that always, kept me on this balancing beam between Postmates and Uber Eats was the fact that Postmates, hey, I knew what restaurants I was going to. I knew ahead of time, and Uber Eats I didn't. I don't know why it's taken Uber Eats this long to join the industry standard, but now there's no reason to choose any other app besides Uber Eats, in my humble opinion. So this is exciting news. If you haven't driven this week, get out there and drive. Check it out for yourself. This is awesome news. And by the way, visit the fellow YouTuber, the app entrepreneur. Wait, how does it get his name? Oh, his name is The App Lifestyle. Go visit his channel. Leave a like, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this. Does this change your opinion about Uber Eats? Does this change your balance between the three apps? Leave a comment below. Hit like and subscribe. And remember to drive and thrive.